Hi everybody, my name is Christy O, and if you're like me, you are at home for now a couple of weeks during quarantine, and your nails are starting to look like this. I've broken this one, these are all starting to grow out. These are some dips. What I am hoping to do is share with you some of the tutorials that I watched and let you know if things work. If you're trying to get this stuff off, how's the best way to do it? So I'm going to try two different ways that I found online to see which one works the best. By the way, I want to disclaimer this, I am not a health professional or a beauty professional in any way. I am just a mom trying to figure out a good way to fix this, and hopefully I will help you do the same. So stand by. Hi, you've reached Christy. Leave a message. The first way I'm going to do it is I saturated a bunch of cotton balls in acetone. Acetone, 100% acetone I found at Walgreens. It is available for you. So I stuck them in a baggie. I'm going to take them and I cut up some aluminum foils and I'm going to soak them for about 15 minutes and see how that goes. File the top layer off. Okay, I've trimmed them. This is where I'm at. They did okay. They're not horrible. I gotta paint them and put some cuticle oil on them and everything. But it took about, let's see, an hour total. Here's the second way. You put acetone in the bag straight up. You put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in so that you don't dry out your nails. Put your fingers directly in it, and then you put it in a bowl of hot water. So we will see how this goes. We will let this sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, so baggie with acetone and olive oil, and voila! That was about 15 minutes in there, and that's the way to go, in my opinion. Do this. This is the second way, and it's way better.